Cue the symbol.
What the heck is a symbol?
It's a common typo.
Warner Brox's. What's a Brox?
It's a balloon with pipe cleaners.
Well, somebody's been studying their vocabulary.
She's wrong. It's another common typo.
If the filly was right, then Scotty's head is a Brox.
Excuse me, but my head is not a Brox.
It's two. Brox head, Brox head, Brox head, Brox head, Brox head.
Take it easy, Scotty. You know they are only joking around. Keep your cool. Uh-oh, tantrum is coming on. No, 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 so you know my head is not a balloon with pipe cleaners in it. Don't say that ever again or I'll quit this job, you doofus, 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 doofus.
Hazel, you Brox head. I want a real explosion. Not just a Brox really close to the camera. I said real. You aren't getting the point. Get it right, Brox head.
Seriously, Sam, since when did Looney Tunes Intro Bloopers turn into a Looney Tunes Intro Bloopers Tantrum Explosion Bloopers?
Since Hazel held that Brox up to the camera for everyone to see.
Just like the olden days of season 1. Security.
Yeah, you used to throw so many tantrums back then. You were such a mutt wipe.
I actually used toilet paper with a picture of Microsoft Mike in it in season 1. Raffle.
Alright, this has gotten way out of hand for just one little blooper.